Tell me what we got here, Paul.
Okay, so this is an original 1993 Defender 90 trophy.
Take me a tour of this.
It came from France, which all the trophies, as far as I know, all came out of France. We've got a stack of paperwork like this with all the invoices and history with the vehicle. When I got it, because it was from the south of France, there was no rust underneath. The chassis is just perfect. It just wanted freshening up with the paintwork, the odd little dent here and there, which we did. Now, the difference with the trophies is there's an extra tank here, the diesel, and you walk around the other side when we see it in a minute. The other thing also that they had was they'd have a spare wheel on the back and they'd have a spare wheel on the hood. Because this was the trophy was, it did certain rallies and things like that all over the world. That's the plate on France. It's got a snorkel on it. This was an extra tank here. I'm pretty sure this was for water. It's got the original wheels on it, the rally wheels. It has also, underneath on the suspension, there's certain parts of the suspension which are beefed up a lot for the off-roading. One of the things is it has shocks at the front here, and it has the original shock which goes in the middle. That's the for off-roading, the rally type, and then it's also got the original one here with this shock tower. If you look on the front and on the back of the axles, you can see that where they can see with that camera, but you can see these gussets here. These are all put in there to strengthen them up, and at the front, these brackets here are so that if you hit something underneath, it doesn't knock the shock absorber off. It's got all sorts of bits like that which are extra for the trophy. It's got just about a new exhaust on it. We've done all sorts of things to it, and that's why it's looking so nice now. In the back, it's just a lovely vehicle with a new headliner in it. This is always nice. In fact, if you come out this side, you'll see that on this model, that should be made an extra toolbox in them. The normal 90 doesn't have this, so you can put a jack in there or special tools, which is neat, or makes it authentic. It really is. It's a really nice specimen. These are the original stickers, factory stickers. So it'd be hard to find a trophy in better shape than this one. And it runs really nicely. It's a 200 TDI engine, 5-speed transmission. We're putting stuff for sale. Anyone can come and test it, do whatever they want to it. At the front, it's got the sump guard, the front for off-road rallies. That's this. That's weirdly strong. That's another safety feature. There she is.
Where can we find this?
If you go into, it's actually not on my website yet, but you can go to irishmotorsports.com. You can see this and other vehicles that we've built, just to give you a bit of insight. This will be going on to Bring a Trailer in a week or two. But you could go onto Irish Motorsports. All my information is there, my email, my phone numbers, call, and I'll tell you anything you want, walk you through it.